Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2026 Ford F-350 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 6.7-liter Powerstroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Black Appearance Package, FX4 Off-Road Package, and the XLT Premium Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera with a lovely bed liner, tailgate step, nice bed camera, side bed steps, mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on either side. We do get a side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated, and move to the front, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpeted interior, plenty of door space in the back, cup holders, rear vents, outlets, and a nice split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly powered driver's seat, same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, upgraded B&O sound system, power folding mirrors, powered windows, mirrors, locks. We got our lights, spotlights, tailgate, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 17 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we have a digital speedometer, my view, trip and field gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage. You got outlets, you got cup holders, more if need be. Your center console, tons of more storage underneath. You got a light, some outlets, and your drive modes, four-wheel drive and rear locking diff, trailer brake, climate controls with heated front seats, 12-volt 120, storage above, below, and on the dash with 6 Upfitter switches. You can set up however you please. Our garage. We do get our engine brake, hill assist, traction hazards, 360 view of the vehicle with different camera angles, and we do get our nice bed camera. Now, looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. We got your phone controls, navigation, search reason saved, have your audio open at the same time. They have apps such as messaging, email. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE03294, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.